Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on optimized charging on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings. Now next we have to open our battery option, and here we have to add to charging. And right here, as you can see, we can turn on optimized charging. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!